WMF Peak 50 System Cleaning. Select System Cleaning from the Care menu. The display will now guide you step by step through the cleaning process. Select on the display whether the machine should switch off after cleaning. Press Yes to switch off or No to restart after cleaning. Then remove the drip tray and the grounds container and empty both. Now reinsert the drip tray and the grounds container. Confirm on the display that everything has been emptied and reinserted. Now fill the water tank with 4 liters of water, place it in the machine, and confirm the process on the display. Clean the coffee and milk spout with a damp cloth. Once you have done this, confirm this on the display. Next, fill the blue cleaning container with water. Use the bottle's measuring aid to add 5 milliliters of cleaning solution, then place the lid on the container. Disconnect the plug-in clean adapter from the milk tank and connect it to the blue cleaning container. Now place a container with a capacity of at least 3 liters under the spout. Confirm the step on the display. The cleaning cycle is starting now. Caution: hot water is coming out of the spout. As soon as the display prompts you, disconnect the plug-in clean adapter from the cleaning container and connect it to the hot water outlet. Please confirm this step on the display as well. Now open the manual insert lid at the top of the machine. Place a cleaning tablet in the manual insert. Confirm the process on the display. The system cleaning process will now continue. Follow the further steps on the display and confirm them. Hot water will also be discharged here. After successfully completing the system cleanup, the machine will restart according to your selection. Now remove the water tank and fill it with fresh water. Confirm on the display when you have reinserted the water tank. The machine is now running the pre-rinse cycle. Remove the 3-liter container and the blue cleaning container and clean both thoroughly. Remove the plug-in clean adapter from the hot water spout and reconnect it to the milk container. The system cleaning is now complete and your machine is ready for use again.